What's going on? In this video, we're going to be facing an issue that a Shopify store owner faced. So in this case, one of my button colors doesn't match the rest. How to fix? They're using the Dawn theme. They try to use one of the accents to get the colors of the website uniform. Everything else updated, but one button didn't update. How could they fix it? So here's the solution that I gave, and that you as a store owner, if you're facing the same issue, here's what you can do. So wherever you're finding issue changing that color, go to that section. So I have a theme up here. Go to the section and just look for that section in your templates and click on that section. Wherever it is that you're trying to change the color, it's not working, or wherever the button is, go to that section. Don't click on the element itself, because if you notice, we're looking for custom CSS and it doesn't have that here, but go to the actual template or the section. Then what you want to do is go down to custom CSS, open that up. You're going to notice it allows you to paste and code there. So what you do is you just take this code, you copy it, and then you paste it inside there, and it should get your button color to change. Of course, you might have to change the actual value here to whatever color that you want to show. But if you're having issues changing button colors, try this out on your store and it should work. So if this video was helpful, please let me know. And if you're having issues getting this to work on your store, please feel free to reach out and I'll see how I can help you out. But once again, here is how you can change your button colors if they don't match, or if you want to make a specific change to your button colors, here's how you can do that.